Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Joy Onwuchekwa. Let me show you how I made this crunchy butter sweet chin chin. Now we'll make our chin chin according to our customer's description. So I'm adding powdered milk, baking powder, sugar, salt and a little bit of nutmeg to our flour. Now I'm adding sugar, a little more sugar because our customer wants it sweet. Yeah, but not too sweet anyway. Remember, it's according to how our customer wants it. So you're going to stir properly and make sure there are no crumbs. Now you can see I added my leftover from my condensed milk because this is going to make this chin chin very soft, very fluffy, crunchy and sweet at the same time. And so I also added my melted butter, you see. So I'm going to stir properly, make sure I'm going to fold and fold and fold until, can you see the texture? This is the texture we want. So I had to flatten it, roll it out on a clean surface. By the way, you must make sure your surface is clean. So you can see the whole process it took. I had to cut. When I was done cutting, I had to fry. If you want a complete tutorial for this, the recipes and the ingredients, let me know in the description box, although I already have a video on how I make chin chin. So please do well to DM us if you want chin chin. We are in the city of London. Now we are going to be making it according to your description, okay? And we're going to be packaging it and sending it straight to you. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Please subscribe and follow for more recipes. Bye.